Hi guys, my name is Joy Eberendu. I'm your presenter on What's Good in Africa this week. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your bell notification icon. On tech, Egyptian B2B e-commerce fashion startup Gahez has raised the sum of $2 million pre-seed funding round to build on its tech. The funding round is led by Disrupt Ventures, Egypt Ventures, Tanmeya, Lofty Inc. Capital Management, and other angel investors. The newly acquired fund will be channeled into building world-class technology and hiring top talents to aid future expansions. Gahez was founded in 2021 by Wael Olama and Mohamed El Zahabi. Since its launch, Gahez has onboarded 15,000 retailers, 142 manufacturers, and over 4,000 stock-keeping units on its platform. The future of tech is Africa. Also on tech, Kenyan fintech startup Paylearn has raised $2 million in seed funding to expand its operations in Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, and Nigeria. The investment came from Next Chimia Consulting HK Limited. The fintech startup aims to use the capital for expansion in Kenya and other new markets in Africa. Founded in 2019 by Bendon Mugor and Eleuterus Juma, Paylearn has digitized 10,000 SMEs, supporting about 20% of Africa's bankable population. Indeed, the room for growth in Africa is limitless. On entertainment this week, we highlight the conquests of a young African named Musa Mota. Musa is a full-time professional musician, dancer, choreographer, and motivational speaker. Beating all odds despite his disability, he's a cancer survivor and an amputee who suffered this fate in 2006 at age 11. In 2018, after much recovery, Musa stopped street dancing and faced his professional dancing career with Brioni Dance Theatre, Johannesburg. He has featured on CNN's African Voice Changemakers and also shared stages with the likes of Drake, Gregory Makoma, Max Huber, Olamide, and others. He has also won several awards, including the Mocheku Dance Festival Award and the prestigious Lesedi Spirit of Courage Award, amongst many others. He's a true definition of ability and disability. Dear African youth, do not be deterred by your environment or incapacitations. Keep your dreams and aspirations alive. Remember, success has a prize, which is dedication and hard work. You can beat the odds. You can be the game changer. You may not be able to change the direction of the wind, but you can set your sail right. Remain motivated, and soon you will be celebrated on this platform and all over the globe. For our product of the week, we journey to the land of beauty as we expose you to one of Africa's cosmetics giants, House of Tara International. House of Tara, a beauty company founded in 1998 by Tara Fela Durotoye, is a pioneer in the bridal makeup profession in Nigeria, being the first to establish a standard makeup studio and makeup school in Nigeria. In 2013, Tara was listed by Forbes as one of the 20 young powerful women in Africa. Also, in 2020, she was listed as one of Africa's 50 most powerful women. Currently, House of Tara has over 270 products, 23 stores, 14 beauty schools, 10,000 representatives around Africa, with an estimated net worth of over $4 million. Africa is the best kept secret. Also, on Product of the Week. We are glad to inform you that the biggest digital product on the African continent has just been launched. Frolancer, a unique online marketplace designed for African freelancers to showcase their skills and services to customers worldwide. It creates job opportunities, majorly targeting the African continent and its talents. A platform built on the virtues of rising by lifting others. Frolancer offers you the opportunity to network, improve your skills through mentorship, build your mentees into a tribe while you work and earn from the comfort of your homes. Visit www.frolancer.com to sign up now.
Doing the simple things can sometimes take up the majority of your time. That is why we created Frolancer, a platform where small and medium-scale businesses, self-employed people, dreamers and visionaries on a mission connect with young, vibrant and talented professionals from the continent of Africa. Reduce your overhead by over 75%. Give someone an opportunity to express their talents and have a means of livelihood. See your business run in the background as you strategize on the future and maintain a good work-life balance. Impact communities whilst getting your work done and see what Froelancers in turn achieve for their community. At Froelancer, we take African talents to the world on the virtues of rising by lifting others.
On tourism this week, we take you to the best parks in the world, the Serengeti National Park, Tanzania, East Africa. Having one of the oldest ecosystems in the world, the vast Serengeti's main attraction is the wildlife, housing the highest concentration of large mammals in the world. The voyage of over 1 million wild beasts, zebras, gazelles, and other hoofed animals is such a spectacle and can only be found in the Serengeti. The appeal of visualizing animal migration and predation in the Serengeti is second to none. In addition to this masterpiece is its vastness. The Serengeti has major corridors, some of which can find beautiful platforms like springs, valleys, and rivers, with the balloon safaris giving you an aerial view of the central Serengeti. So, planning a trip to East Africa? Choose the Serengeti National Park. Karibu. Tanzania welcomes you. Thank you for watching What's Good in Africa this week. I remain your presenter, Joy Eberendo. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and also do not forget to turn on your bell notification icon. And in case you haven't subscribed and invited family and friends over, please do invite them for a watch party.